A troop of gorillas can only have one leader. It's usually the biggest, most prominent, the strongest gorilla in the group because he is responsible for protecting everyone else. In exchange, he gets first dibs on female gorillas when it's mating season. Humans, whether you realize it or not, operate in a similar manner. Every community has an alpha male or A.M.O.G, an alpha male of the group. Even if no one says it, everyone from outside the group knows and recognizes it. Although strength and size do influence who becomes the alpha, they are far from the most important factors in the human universe. So in this video, I'll go over 3 characteristics of an alpha male to maintain his position at the top. Number 1. Be at ease with conflict. When a problem arises, it is presumed that the unofficial alpha will not only face it, but also triumph well. The ability to remain non-reactive is what distinguishes an alpha, as in not reacting on an emotional level and simply reacting to an absurd remark with more absurdity makes him victorious. Responding to absurd remarks with logic or facts is ineffective. You must counteract it with an even more absurdity. This is how an alpha communicates his dominance, through his appearance. So this includes everything from proper posture to using wide hand gestures, even wearing clothes that fit well. Number 2. Keep the frame under control. When you're a leader, you will be met with many situations where people will try to manipulate the power dynamic to their advantage. Alphas can maintain unwavering eye contact and rapport while remaining emotionally unresponsive. They have a calm demeanor that demonstrates that they are completely in command of this situation. Taking any situation and successfully bending it to fit your needs is a big indicator of a group leader. This can be seen in your life when other guys interrupt while they're trying to talk to a girl, or perhaps your friends are attempting to block you, for a lack of a better term. However, you can continue to frame yourself as the ultimate decision maker of what happens the rest of the night. If you can do that, you're one step closer to becoming the group's alpha male. Masculine energy has a plan, but it leaves room for others to join. That brings us to the third alpha male trait, problem solving. Whatever happens to the group, the alpha is always 2 steps ahead of everyone. His ability to quickly make everyone feel comfortable is a testimony to his decision-making abilities. It is not so much the ability to make the correct decision as it is the ability to have complete confidence in your decision and see it through to completion. Even the most respected leaders have made mistakes in the past. However, having complete trust of the group of people is the quickest way to rise to the top of the social ladder. That doesn't mean you have to be the brainiest people in the group, but a dumb person is rarely the alpha male. But you must always believe in your decision and communicate that to your followers. To be the alpha male of a group, you don't have to be the oldest, tallest, or even strongest. What you need to do can be summed up in a single word: relax. When a conflict arises, don't react emotionally, but instead take a moment to consider how you will respond. Then, have faith that everything will be fine. When you recognize this, you will gain the social trust of both men and women, which will open doors you didn't even know existed.